This is osma. Osma is the type of leaf that women use in Tajikistan to tint their brows and lashes. First, you have to leave the osma in the sun for 5 to 10 minutes so the tint can get darker. This product was first used by our grandparents and parents in the 1900s. Now, us teens learned using natural beauty products from our parents. After it's time to take the osma from the sun, you have to squeeze the juice out of it. Then it's ready to apply on your brows and lashes. Here we're making homemade Q-tips with matches and cotton like our grandparents did back then, since they didn't have the modern Q-tips we have now in the stores. Now we're going to apply the osma onto our brows, and if you want to make it really dark like I usually do, I would put it on 3 times each time after it dries, but if you don't want it that dark, you can put it on 2 times. This is the best time for us to learn what our grandparents did back then and how we can have fun even in the new times.
تا آیات است مرا پیش تو قربانم ماهی روشنم تو بگیر دست مرا عاشق شیدایم گل ریانم تو بگیر دست مرا عاشق شیدایم گل ریانم گل بخارم دل پر ازارم گل بخارم دل پر ازارم لطف بن ماه تو مرا پیش تو میمانم مای تابانم لطف بن ماه تو مرا پیش تو میمانم مای تابانم تا آیات است مرا پیش تو قربانم مای روشنم تو بگیر دست مرا عاشق شیدایم گل ریانم نور چشمانم راحتی جانم نور چشمانم راحتی جانم من با وصفت به سرایم از دل و جانم مای تابانم من با وصفت به سرایم از دل و جانم مای تابانم تا آیات است مرا پیش تو قربانم مای روشنم تو بگیر دست مرا عاشق شیدایم گل ریانم گل ریانم گل ریانم گل ریانم آرام جانمه با پیش من بیا بیا از بدخشانمه آرام جانمه با پیش من بیا بیا آیارم بیا دل دارم بیا دل من تو داره از زورم بیا آیارم بیا دل دارم بیا دل من تو داره از زورم بیا دل بر جانمه بار تا بانمه با پیش من بیا بیا دل بر جانمه بار تا بانمه با پیش من
All of the girls in this video were not born in Pamir, but they still love to come and enjoy how pretty, natural, and anti-stressful the country is. And they also learn how our grandparents and parents lived in Pamiri culture and tradition when they were young. There are still many good and healthy things that we still need to learn in our life. This is how you see people living in Pamir Mountains. Most people have a traditional house with a big backyard with many fruit trees and vegetables that are organic and delicious in the first bite. I think this place is paradise because it has everything you consider natural beauty, like the tall mountains, all kinds of fruit trees, beautiful flowers, clear underground water, and everything around you is green. People in Pamir raise what they eat. Pamir is a quiet, peaceful, safe, and anti-stress environment because there's no crime and the crime rate here is 0. And the people here are really nice to each other like they're a part of your family. So I recommend you going to Pamir Mountains to visit and see the gorgeous, natural, and anti-stressful life there.